We'll now do sound A, number 12. In sound A number 12, it says Sammy measures the sound intensity. Remember, sound intensity is I. That's equal to 3.2 times 10 to the negative 6th watts per meter squared. During a conversation, it says, what's the sound intensity level? Sound intensity level is beta. It tells us what we're looking for. Now, in order to do this problem, you must know what the baseline sound intensity is, which is given as 1.0 times 10 to the negative 12th watts per meter squared. And once again, this is considered to be the standard lowest sound intensity that people can hear. So now the equation for this is that the sound intensity level is equal to 10 times log, and that's log base 10 again, of I over I naught. So you get beta, or sound intensity level, is equal to 10 times log of 3.2 times 10 to the negative 6 watts per meter squared. And that whole thing is over 1.0 times 10 to the negative 12 watts per meters squared. Punch that into your calculator, and you get that the sound intensity level is 65 decibels, or dB.